The revision screen permits clear focus on creating and pricing needed repairs as individual jobs to sell either today or next time. It operates similar to the order screen in terms of adding items. It provides storage for sub-estimates specific to a vehicle. Typically, these are driven by recommendations made earlier during vehicle inspection. The program uses the color green to alert users to the presence of unsold sub-estimates that could be sold today. This is in addition to the previous pop-up reminder text when a new order is started for this vehicle. By having 9 separate slots, any additional work can be very job-specific. While you have the customer on the phone, you may quote prices for different combinations of the found repair needs. Once they have agreed to some or all of these repairs, you may transfer them into the active orders screen. In a previous video clip, we showed the recording of a recommendation to a vehicle record for a parts replacement. We'll use that now to illustrate how recommendations and revisions work together. Before you call the customer to get approval, a sub-estimate must be put together for the job. Choose any empty slot and click on Estimator to locate the parts and labor we need to get this job done. By typing a partial part name and clicking Search, we bypass having to know which category that part is found in or having to browse through a long list to find it. Click on the labor line and the Add button. Now switch to Parts, select the part, click Add, and then Transfer. This copies the labor and part information you need to the revision sub-estimate slot. Click on Done or press Enter to close the cost box. You'll need to contact the dealer for your actual cost and availability. When you get the cost, double-click that part item and enter it here. Compare the matrix calculated price to the list. Click on User-Entered Sale to overwrite the matrix price as needed. Enter the vendor name and category while you're here and click on Done. Each revision has a time-date stamp. This is helpful to know. If you don't sell that work today, you will know when it was initially created. In addition, you may also name each sub-estimate to make it easier to know the contents at a glance. Double-click on the Sub-Estimate tab and type the desired name, and then click anywhere or press Enter. The name can be saved as long as the sub-estimate has actual content.